What's going on, everybody? Back in another video, but this time we're recording on my phone because my camera's dead and I really have time to charge it and shit. But we're gonna try to lift it up first. We got some tile lettering installed to do on this one, and then lift up one side and shit. We're gonna do one side first and the other one because fucking jack doesn't even fit under there. While I still put those on the blocks, like on the tire and shit, so it doesn't fit. So do that and then take it off and then see where we go from there. Once you got them off, so that's the front. And yeah, so all you gotta do right now is just once you take them off. So since I already had some tile lettering on it before, I know where it's at. It's gonna be located and shit. But other than that, wherever you're gonna put it at, you just gotta sand it down where it's sitting at, and then clean it off, this and that. And then from there, that way you have like a soft and like plain surface for it to sit on this shit perfectly. And other than that, yeah, send it down, and then I'll put you guys in the clip where I'll be installing the tire lettering. That's gonna be a time lapse. So soften that sheet. Yep. Good morning, everybody. This is the second day. I was working yesterday and didn't have time to put them on, but yeah, as you can see, it rained, so I took them inside. But other than that, here's how they came out. This time I took my time with them, and I told you guys I was gonna do a time lapse, but I really couldn't because this shit's so time consuming and it takes a while for it, like, to get it all aligned right. You know, the first side I did low-key mess up a little bit, but you can't really tell. But other than that, yeah, this is what it says. And we're about to put them on right now and see how it looks. Yeah, it rained, so I can see. Stupid ass shit. Let's see how this goes. You know what I forgot? I forgot that on the, hold on, give me a second. I forgot that on these rears, this thing rubs right here, I think. You guys can't really see it, but it rubs right here, like where the bumper pieces and shit. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna try to trim it, cut it a little bit, see how that goes. This is it. I mean, you still gotta drive it, you know, so it can settle in, but yep, we should be clear. I don't think it won't rub and shit. It's cause like when you enter places and shit, the suspension likes to like flex a lot, whatever. Not too much now, but like it used to do it a lot. And whenever usually when you enter somewhere, this tire should like go up and shit. And as soon as it goes up, it's probably gonna hit right there, and then I don't want it to hit there, so it's probably like 2/8 from that. Should be good though. Whenever it flexes, shouldn't even take off the tire lettering off, but I might trim it a little bit more, and then yeah, do the other side and shit. But other than that, this is how it looks. I miss my other tile lettering a lot, but it's getting there. Bro, sometimes a pain in the ass to get the shit up in the fucking jack, bro. But I'm gonna give you guys a little cold start right now. technically I'm doing this shit for no reason. But anyways, what I'm gonna try to do is see how much camber I can take out from the front at least, because the rears ain't too bad. But if I can take out like at least 2 degrees, because right now it's at negative, I think 3 or 4, I'm not sure, 2 degrees on the front at least. I'm gonna try to do that. But yep, what I'm gonna do is just sand it down, prep the surface ready. As you can see, I used to have some on here. Sand it down, whatever, and then go from there. Here it is. I'll pull out some camera from that from the side, but I took a little bit of camera, like 2 degrees from the top hats, top plates, whatever you want to call them. Hoping it doesn't fucking rub, bro. It's barely on there, but yeah, this is it. Thank you all for watching and shit. Stay tuned for another video. This shit broke, but I ordered another one. Should be coming in soon. And yeah, that's it.